Here is my technical breakdown of the stock BBIG. The stock started its trend back here around $3 and hit highs today at $12.50. We have three trend lines we have to take into consideration: trend line 1, trend line 2, and trend line 3. Three of these trend lines give us a pattern that we're forming, a bullish pattern, which you could say. The first trend line right here crosses with the second trend line right here at around $9. This $9 area of support is very, very important for the stock to be able to hold. Along with this sideways trend line right here, which has bounced multiple times throughout the last couple days, has given us that opportunity to also follow this trend line. Our last, which is our resistance trend line, is at $12.50, which we popped up to today before getting rejected and falling back down. This $12.50 area is going to be very, very important moving forward. Tomorrow, if we do open up lower, I'd like to see it hold either of these two trend lines to continue this uptrend. If we do hold both of these trend lines and continue the uptrend, we need to break through this resistance area to break out into $12.50. We could see a squeeze somewhere in here as we see an ascending triangle pattern forming. So we have to take into consideration what could potentially happen either if we get rejected again at $12.50 and fall down to the downside, or we break through that $12.50 and move to the upside. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do believe that BBIG has a potential to keep on moving higher back into the teens if we hold these two trend line supports right here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video for today. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.